Hey guys, what is up? Unboxing Iain McLeod. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. Not for sure what they are called though. But here they are. I'm going to unbox them. Wait for 1 second. Okay guys. Oh, I'm ready to unbox them. Oh, they look so cool. Alright, we're going to box these skates. Can't even get them open, you guys. It's been like trying to get them open for the past 20 minutes. I don't know. For a second. We'll get these open eventually. Alright. For a second. Almost got them. I think I'm opening them up wrong. Making me mad, you guys. I can't even get them open. Oh wait, never mind. There's something right here. Oh, I missed the spot. Never mind. Yes, they're finally here and open. Oh, look. They're so cool, right? The Razor Iain McLeods. They're all swagged up. You can see right here. Whoo! Ah, the liner smells good as crap, I can tell you that. Backpack for the win. Some more green wheels for the win. Another pair. Not another pair, another skate. Right here. Can't wait to go ride them already. But, God, they look pretty good, in my opinion. If y'all think they don't look good, then that's your problem. But, I don't care. I like them, so if I like them, it doesn't even matter what other people think. Another piece of wax. I really needed some wax. Some catalogs. Ooh, what type are they? Look pretty interesting, but and Cologne, an old Razors movie from like a few years ago, pretty good. I watched it once. What else is in here? A T-shirt, I know, not sure what it is. I'll look at it later. Yeah, this is basically all to show for a second. All right. So yeah, that's all. Peace out, and next time probably. A year from now, I'll make another unboxing video like I did last year, year before, and the year before that. So it's been a while. Well, peace out, you guys, and have a great day, and I'll have a great day as well. See ya, bye.